Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro Ultra M106w series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for HP LaserJet Pro Ultra M106w support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results you'll come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Ultra M106w printer software and drivers. Open that up. And then scrolling down on this page, you want to go and select the HP LaserJet Pro M102/M104W and Ultra M106W printer full feature software and drivers. Select download, and then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And just give it a moment to extract here. And should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just want to pursue with the on-screen wizard here of getting it configured properly for your device, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.